In this video, we'll talk about what's included in an affiliate program agreement. We will talk about the intro. Enjoy the video. Let's talk about the affiliate program agreement. Like I said in previous video, when you look at the agreement, you always have the intro, the body, and the outro. Simple, right? In this video, we're going to talk about the intro. Yeah. And the intro, it's important to have the information of the parties. Who are they? And do you have the correct information? Like, who are they? Their address, their BSN number, all those stuff. You need to put it into it, and you need to put from both parties. If the party is a person, you need those information. If it's a company, also. But keep in mind, when it's a company, you need to make sure that the person who's going to sign the agreement is the authorized person that signed the agreement. Because if it's not correct, that means it can mean that the agreement is not valid. And sometimes it can mean that the person that signed the agreement, that person signed the agreement and not the company. So it all depends on the situation. So it's important to know when you look at the intro, write down who are the parties. Most people underestimate this, but really this is really important. And second part, what you need to do is write down what's the goal. What's the goal of the affiliate? So I'm going to show you some example so you can get an idea what I'm talking about. When you look at this agreement, I think this is not a good example to show you, but give me 1 second. I'm going to change something. Oh, I cannot. No, I cannot. Oh, that's bummer. Okay, no, I cannot. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys what I see, but yeah. Here you see the date. Is a affiliate agreement. The agreement is made and the date, you put it in here. And here you see who are the parties. So the important part is who is going to sign the agreement and who is the agreement between. That's the important part. You see number 1 and number 2, because it's between 2. If there are 3 people or 3 companies, 2 company, or 1 company, 2 people, you will see 3 things here. You need to know who the parties are. And why are you creating the agreement? You see that in here. Yeah. The purpose of creating an agreement. Yeah. Like I said, this agreement, you can download it. So you need to know the parties, the date, why you're creating the agreements. Those things you put it in the intro. And after that, you will see the body. The body, most time you will recognize it by the articles. Yeah. So that's about it for the intro. If you have question about it, what you can do is just go in the last and ask me question directly. If you want this template, there's a link in the description. You can download it. So you press the link, and then you'll go to the website, and then you can order it, and then you can download it. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe. See you in the next video.